How to fix Microsoft Rewards. There's an issue with your account or order fix. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Microsoft Rewards. There's an issue with your account or order fix. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to rewards.bing.com. Then after you have done that, just log into your Microsoft account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now I can see my Microsoft rewards. Now that I'm here, I am on the earn right here. So if you scroll down, you can see a lot of things that you can do in order to earn points. But the problem arises when you click on redeem right here. So for example, you have the available points to redeem any one of this, but you can't redeem it. Then what you can do is to just scroll down. So let's scroll down. And then from in there, we can see this contact Microsoft Rewards support. So if you're having a problem, just click on that option right there. And then you can add in here the issue title. So for example, I cannot redeem my rewards. So you can put that. Now once you have put that, just scroll down and then fill up all of this necessary informations that you have in here. Then after that, just click on submit right here and just wait for Microsoft to get back to you for 3 to 5 working days. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Microsoft Rewards. There's an issue with your account or order. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.